How you can fix this error. Are you guys facing an error that says verification failed, this Apple ID is not active? Before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step you'll want to do is just force restart your iPhone. To do that, first you'll need to just press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and you'll need to hold your side power button. After you do that, just hold it till the Apple logo appears, and after it appears you can leave it and it will restart. And after you restart, you can check if the problem is still there, and if it is still there, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find screen time, tap on screen time and scroll down till you find the restrictions area. Go to restrictions, content and privacy restrictions, and if this is turned off, just turn it on. And after you do that, scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you'll need to search for a setting called accounts. Tap on accounts, just tap on allow, make sure that you've just allow changes to everything, make sure that you've allowed it. And after you do that, all you need to do is go back and check if the problem is still there. And if it is still there, what you need to do is go to your settings again. After you're on your settings, navigate to general, and after you're on general, scroll down all the way, and there you will see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, tap on reset, and you can reset all of your settings. And after you reset all of your settings, your phone will restart and your problem will get fixed. So yeah, that is how you fix the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.